Hello mga ka-foodie and welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to prepare avocado chips, which is the first one of my keto recipes. Two small avocados, 3/4 cups of grated parmesan, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/8 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper. The ingredients on the screen are also written under the description section of this video. First thing to do is cut the avocado in half and remove the seeds. Use a spoon to remove the avocado meat. Now you can start mashing the avocado meat using a fork. I prefer to use a bigger plate than what I'm using right now. In a bowl, start adding the remaining ingredients and mix it all together. After about 30 minutes, the chips are golden and we'll take them out of the oven and let them cool. There you have it, guys, an easy and simple keto recipe that you can enjoy. If you enjoy my video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified when I have a new uploaded recipe. Thank you, Foodie.